Namaste, Namaskaram. This is Bhuvana. Welcome back to my channel Shloka EL. On the 19th of January, my channel is completing 1 year since its existence. I would like to sincerely thank all my viewers and supporters. Thank you very much for your constructive feedback, which work on me to make me a better human being. I'm extremely humbled by your gesture and appreciation. Thanks to my Devi Mahatmyam students for the wonderful Navaratri gift. Special thanks to Chitra ma'am for buying the gift. And last but not the least, my family, my mother Kamala,
Angam kare bulagabhushanamastrayandi bringanganeva mugulabharanam thama.
my husband Deepak, and my wonderful children Shraddha and Gautam for being my best critics. This channel was created to help amateurs chant like professionals. I would listen to recordings available in the social media and wonder what is in it for me? Why am I not chanting? How can this help me chant better? Is the thought I used to process most of the times. I thought it was pointless to just listen to others chant. I wanted to do it myself. I wanted to be hands on in this domain and reap the benefits of chanting by doing it myself. These are the primary drivers for starting a YouTube channel. I am delighted that it has worked out very well, and I am delighted to be working with all of you on this path. There are immense benefits to chanting, hence, it's a complete package. It's physical, mental, psychological, spiritual, and devotional.
अविद्यानाम् अन्तस्तिमिरमिहिरद्वीपनगरे
मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति
अपङ्गन्ते लब्ध्वा जगति तमनङ्घो विजयते
सुधा सिन्धोर्मध्ये सुरविटपिवाटी परिवृते.
Here's a quick look at the accomplishments in the last 1 year. My major projects included Bhagavad Gita, Devi Mahatmyam, Saundarya Lahari, Lalita Sahasranamam, and Vishnu Sahasranamam. Additionally, I have conducted online classes on Aditya Hridayam, Bhavani Ashtakam, and Ganesha Pancharatnam for my YouTube students. अनन्तशास्त्रं बहुवेदितव्यम् अल्पश्च कालो बहवश्च विघ्नाः यत्सारभूतं तदुपासितव्यं हंसो यथा क्षीरमिवाम्बुराशौ. This is a very popular Shubhashitani. In Sanskrit, Shubhashitani is like thought for the day type, words of wisdom. So what this means is, scriptures are infinite and there is so much to be known, but time is limited and there are too many impediments and obstacles sometimes on this path. So what do we do with limited time and unlimited scriptures to learn? What should be our best approach? It says that we need to focus on the essence of things. Just like how a swan separates milk from water, we need to become smart learners to extract the essence out of these major scriptures. So what it also means is, once you have learned how to chant properly, how to pronounce syllables, how to join words, how to split words, then that learning is forever. And you will need to apply the same learnings across the scriptures. That way, we can make more time to focus on the essence of the scripture rather than focusing on the syntactical considerations. The road ahead for this year. We all as a family took a collective decision to conduct Parayanam every month starting this year. We started with Saundarya Lahari Parayanam in January. The upcoming Parayanams are Lalita Sahasranamam in February, Vishnu Sahasranamam in March, Devi Mahatmyam in April, and hopefully Bhagavad Gita in May. I have also planned to conduct free Devi Mahatmyam classes starting 27th February for a duration of 6 months. I would like to invest in all of you. Thank you for the overwhelming registrations received. I will also be adding a couple of new playlists based on some of the popular demands received. I would like to reiterate that chanting isn't a skill or a capability. Rather, it is a blessing. Listening to others chant is a good practice, but believe in doing it yourself to maximize its benefits. Once again, I thank all of you for working with me in collaboration.